How to do local SEO keyword searching, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to do local SEO keyword searching, and it's going to be a really easy tutorial. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what is SEO keyword searching. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and the important part of search engine optimization is the keywords. Whenever we are looking for something or we are searching, we type words on Google or any of the search engine. The words we type are actually the keywords that play an important role on giving us the results on Google. So the websites that we see on the top, whenever we search something, that means those websites use this specific keyword and they work on their SEO. And that's what we need to do for our website as well. For our e-commerce business, we want to work on SEO and we want to do a local SEO keyword so that we know the blog we are going to be writing, if it's going to be SEO friendly or not, if our website is going to land higher in the search results or not. So that being said, today I will show you how to do that. It's a very easy tutorial. I will explain in very easy words. It's a beginner's tutorial. So first of all, you need to go to a platform known as wordstream.com. This is the platform that I personally use because it's a free platform and allows us to do local SEO keyword searching. There are a lot of platforms out there for keyword searching, better platforms I would say, but they are paid, such as Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz. So all of these keyword research tools are out there and you can actually do it on any of the different platforms. The process is almost the same. We have to enter our location, select an industry so that we can get the better results. Let's get into it. Free keyword tool, discover new keywords and performance data to use in your site content. So what I'm going to do on this platform is I'll actually show you how I will search for keywords. I am going to be writing a blog. So I'm writing a blog about skincare and I'm looking for a title, an SEO friendly title. What title I should go for? I want to write about skincare. So what I will do is I will just type in the word right here in the search bar where it says enter a keyword or website URL to find the suggestions. Skincare. This is my word, just a word that I want to go for. Click on find my keywords. Alright, refine your search with the industry and location. They're asking me to confirm. Yes, I'm going to search skincare. Choose an industry. So this will help me get the better results. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the category beauty and personal care. Location. Location is an important part in doing local SEO searching. Local SEO means that what is trending in my area, what is trending in my local area, my country or my city. So I have selected United States here. You can go with any of the country or state you want. Click on continue. And you will see it will just take a second to fetch the results for us and we'll be able to see what is the analysis for this keyword that we have selected. All right. So our keyword is skincare and you can see these are the results. Let me show you how you figure out which one is the best and how we check it. First of all, these are going to be the keywords. We have 500 keywords related to skincare, the words that people search for. We have skincare, then we have the ordinary skincare, vitamin C serum, exfoliators, face moisturizers. Okay, I didn't know that I can go with these words, right? Skincare product, anti-aging cream, hydrating moisturizers, skincare face wash, best moisturizer for dry skin, personal care, skincare for men. Then we have Korean skincare. Then we have best skincare, and there are list continues. Okay, so these are the keywords. Fine. Now we have the results directly from Google Analytics. This is actually perfect. That is why I go with WordStream because it gets the results directly from Google. So that is actually pretty impressive. So these are going to be the number of search volume. The biggest search volume is for the word skincare. That means I was going for the right keyword. And then there are others as well. This is going to be the top page bid, low range. So the lowest range is going to be $1.54. This is pretty impressive. Then we have others such as for 0.39. This is the top of a page bid. $1, $2, skincare face wash, $2, okay, $2.3 and others. Then we have high range, $6, $5, $14, $3, $4. And then we have competition. This will show you if there is a competition for the keyword. Let's say I am a complete beginner, and if I see the keyword I'm using has very high competition, there are already thousands of websites, thousands of blogs with the same keyword, that means it will become very difficult for me to land my blog out there, being honest. So we kind of like target for the low competition keywords that are actually good keywords. For instance, I can see now skincare has a lot of search volume, but at the same time, the I know the competition is going to be huge because everybody uses the word skincare. So I kind of like want to go for something with low competition. So we have this keyword right here. Pretty impressive result. You can see it is one of the top results right here. And we have like anti-aging cream. So we have 0.83, $4, and the competition is low. This is an important part, finding the low competition keywords. So you can see I have this one has a medium, personal care. This is a pretty good keyword. So this is how I can check and I can explore. We can also download all of the keywords to create an SCV file to share with my writer, and I can also, do more search. Let's find another one. Let's go with more kind of like a longer keyword so that I can show you better. So this time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a keyword that is not trending. Let's go with a very random keyword that I think is trending, but let's see if it's actually a keyword or not. Let's say I want to actually find the best hotels in my country or the best hotels in a state. But I am looking for a word. I'm thinking, oh, okay, so I'm gonna use the word amazing hotels, right? Amazing hotels in my state. So this is the blog title I want to go for. So for industry, now I'm going to change it to we have sales and parts, and we have business opportunities, business services, computer, electronics, finance, health, home and home improvement industry, real estate, personal services. Then we have shopping, toys and hobbies, restaurants and food. So I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going with the same country again. Click on new search. So the result I am getting right now are according to the United States because that's my local, area, and that's what I am searching for. It's a local keyword searching. Let's find this word. And you can see I entered the word amazing hotels. That's what I was thinking in my mind, that this is the keyword I should go for. But let's see the results. The first word is restaurants. Food near me, restaurants near me, Mexican restaurants. Then we have sushi near me, fast food. Then we have fast food restaurants. Then we have Italian dinner near me and stuff like that. But there is no word. Okay, actually, let's go with the word restaurant here. Let's go with food. So I have changed my word to food to kind of like give it a more extension to our word. All right. So I added the word amazing food in my state. But let's see. Restaurants, food near me, restaurants near me, Olive Garden, Mexican restaurants, fast food near me, Indian restaurants, sushi near me, fast food, firehouse hubs, subs. Then we have Chinese near me, Japanese restaurants, Italian. Okay, so there is no amazing food near me. No one is searching amazing food in my state. So if I use this word, that means that my blog will not land higher in the search results. I have words such as food near me. So now I know I can actually add a title of food near me or the best restaurants near me. That's the word people are searching for. And then we have like, I can say Mexican food near you or the best Mexican restaurants. And you can see the competition is pretty low. We have the top page bid and the top page bid high range here. And of course, the volume is given. And now I have an idea that this is not the keyword that I should go for. Instead, I should go for the keywords that I got from here. So this is called local keyword searching. It's very easy to do. You just enter your keyword and then you get a better idea if this is the right keyword or not. You can go ahead and check out wordstream.com, which is a free keyword tool to discover and prioritize the best keywords to target. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.